Oh. Not looking.
I'm also not looking for some reason. Right.
Hey, Ryan and Kate here at Plus Plus. We want to give you some fun ideas for a family game night that you could use Plus Plus for. So one simple activity is bowling with big. So if you have 2 wheels and a few Plus Plus big pieces, you can set up a little family bowling alley. So Kate, would you like to do the honors and roll the first ball?
Absolutely. I'm going for a strike. Come on.
Oh,
so close.
I'm going to clear away. I think you can pick up the spare, though.
I've got this.
Pick up the spare.
I've got this.
I believe in you. Oh. Well, Kate, let's try that again.
That was not good. Off course. All right, come on.
Oh.
This is not going
Maybe I have
well.
to try from this way.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you spread them out pretty far there. I'm going to be challenging.
I'm trying to challenge you a little bit.
Oh. See if I can pick up the spare.
You've got this.
Here we go. Oh. We have a very slippery table.
We do.
Oh.
It's not the product.
Oh. Slow bowling.
Slow bowl.
All right. We'll try another method. Is this method?
Oh.
It's like a
Oh, that's even more
so
exciting.
you can also do that.
My gosh.
All right, you want to try one like that?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I need to redeem myself.
All right.
Yeah, you can also do this with small plus plus, but it probably wouldn't work as well.
Yes.
I don't think.
But yeah, you could easily assign, point values to different colors. So you could have maybe this one back here, the yellow is 20 points. This one up here, my greens might be 5 points, reds might be 10 points, and then you could see who could earn the most points.
All right, here we go. Got to get the good trajectory.
Hey!
Whoa!
Good shot. So another fun idea for family game night is to set up a little, almost like a skee-ball or target course here. So I set up 3 different sizes of targets. So this one's the skinniest, maybe this one's 20 points. This one's not quite so skinny, let's say that's 15. This one might be 10 points because it's easier to shoot into. And then Kate could take turns flicking these in.
Let's see, I'm
and
going
try
for
to
the,
get the points. She's
going for the small
20.
one. Oh, does that count for anything?
That does not count. It has to
Dang
go
it.
through.
All right, I'm going for the bigger target now.
Hey,
Oh!
sorry. No points still.
I keep hitting the post. All right, hold on. I got to make one.
Hey!
Hey, do you want to try now?
I want to try.
All right.
So I'm going to go for the 5 points.
Oh, nice.
So,
Much
10,
gentler
I guess that was
than
10
mine.
points.
Oh my gosh.
All right, can I try the green meanie? Oh!
Oh, wait, I think
So
that's
close. I
pretty
think it has to go all the
good.
way through.
Oh, it
I don't
does.
know. That one may be too narrow. But you can vary your challenges. You can make them super wide for young kids or a little skinnier for older kids or for kidults like us.
Ooh, Ryan's smooth with it.
And of course, you can vary the challenge by putting it farther away and sitting way away down the table.
Oh, yeah.
Here, let me try a long shot.
Yeah, come on.
Ready?
A little bank shot. You want to try again?
Oh. So another fun idea for family game night is a guess the build game. So we're going to write down ideas of things that we could build and guess. So you want to write down things that you feel comfortable building. So it could be a snake or a person, but we want to keep it pretty simple. So we're going to write down some ideas. All right, Kate, you want to go first?
Yes, let me mix them up.
All right, let's bring some bins in
Yes.
close here. So it helps to have a lot of colors of plus plus, of course.
Of course.
To have lots of choices.
Yeah,
So you can
let's
start.
See. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Okay. And you can play on teams, and the fastest team to guess could win extra points.
Oh, yeah. All right, should I go? Wait, let me get some more pieces. Hold on. Ooh, I'm trying to put you off course here.
Okay.
All right, it's gonna be really yes.
Go.
Cow.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, we got our little cow. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh.
All right,
All
my
right.
turn. Oh, it's a good one. I'm gonna choose some colorful pieces for this one.
Oh. Oh. He's flying. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I think I know. Is it a butterfly?
Oh, good job.
Yay! He was getting close to the other wing.
Might even be good to have, you could have each team make the clues for the other team, so nobody would have a chance of drawing their own, and then whoever gets theirs the fastest, or under a minute, or whatever timer you want to set, can win. Not looking.
I'm also not looking for some reason. Right.
Ooh. Smoke. Elephant.
No.
Gray. Robot.
No.
It's gray. Oh, now it's orange.
Building the bottom. Oh wait, that was too good of a clue. Nope. Nope. Hold on.
Easter Island statue. No.
Yes. Actually, yes.
Pigeon. Oh. Huh. Duck. Goose. Oh. Whoa. Plot twist. Wow.
Eagle.
Yes.
Is it really?
No.
It's
A plan that is derailed, but I think I could still make it happen. Hold on.
It's got feet. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, yay!
Rocket.
So we're hoping that this gave you some ideas for your next family game night and how to incorporate plus plus into that game night. So thank you guys so much for watching and playing with us.
Have fun.
Well, hey guys, so
We're still rolling
Yeah.
here.
We're good.
are we supposed to go from the beginning or
Yes.
from okay?
Sure. I've got it here.
So another fun family game night.
So what you wouldn't want to do is write things down like Snoop Dogg that people. Oh wait, this is not. It says snake. I wrote snake after he said it. Okay. We hope that this has given you some ideas. That sounded so. I don't know why I said it like that. All right.